If your downspouts are just hanging there, disconnected from the gutters, you're basically asking for water damage problems around your home's foundation. You gotta make sure those downspouts are tightly reattached to the gutters using straps or screws so water flows where it's supposed to. Start by checking if the gutters themselves are sturdy enough. Loose gutters will mess up the whole system. Use galvanized screws or specialized downspout straps to secure them in place, because regular nails might not hold up when it rains hard. Make sure the downspout is aligned properly, so water doesn't spill out or pool near your house. If you notice any clogs or debris in the gutters or downspouts, clear them out before reattaching, or you'll just be fixing the same problem again. Don't forget to angle the bottom of the downspout away from the house to keep water from soaking into your foundation. If straps aren't cutting it, try using brackets designed specifically for gutters and downspouts. They offer extra support. Finally, give everything a test run with a hose to watch how the water flows after you secure it back in place. One of the biggest problems with downspouts disconnected from gutters is improper attachment using weak fasteners like nails instead of screws or straps. Switching to sturdy screws or metal straps fixes this by holding everything tight, even during storms. Another common mistake is ignoring clogged gutters before reattaching. Always clean out leaves and grime first so water flows freely and doesn't back up. Lastly, many people forget to direct the downspout away from the foundation, which can cause serious water damage. Using an extension or splash block helps guide water safely away from your home. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to fix gutter and downspout issues right the first time. Plus, contractors get connected with real clients looking for their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.